I'm Wande, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. This channel is predominantly about beauty, fashion, travel, soon come, and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about some beauty things that I have recently purchased because your girl has still been using her naked palettes to do her makeup. So I wanted to get rid of everything, out with the old, in with the new, and I just wanted to show you what I've got. I'm going to start off with some beauty bits, more on the makeup side, and then we're going to go into brushes and that sort of thing. So let's get into it. So I went to the Morphe store and I didn't realize that they carried so many different brands other than Morphe. Listen, girl, I got my life in there, so let me start showing you what I got. I'm not even gonna lie to you, some of this stuff I have actually been using already, but others I've really tried hard not to like open them because I wanted to show you them like brand new basically. So the first thing I got is this Morphe micro brow pencil. I love this. What color is this in? I don't know. Chocolate mousse. It's in chocolate mousse, and one end has like a brush to brush your brows. The other end obviously has the pencil. I've already been using it, like I said. It's quite thin. How can I show it to you? Did I just break it? Damn. So this is the pencil. It's really dark. Don't know if you can see it. That's what it looks like. It's actually what I've got on my brows at the moment, and I just love it. It's just really easy to use, and yeah, can't remember how much it was, but I will list everything down below. Next is this P. Louise eyeshadow base. I remember being on Instagram. Oh my god, what the hell was that? Being on Instagram and seeing this brand, and at the time they only had the bright white to get like your eyeshadows to look, to stay, sorry. And when I went in, I was seeing colors. I was like, listen, I've been in a black hole. Honestly, I've been in a really dark black hole, but this is color number 8. This is what it looks like, and it's color number 8, and it's just a really good eyeshadow base. It's so creamy as well. I haven't actually, I tell a lie, I have used this already, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And yeah, I just think it's just going to be the perfect base for my makeup. Like I said, I've been using my Urban Decay naked palettes to still do makeup, and those things are just not pigmented anymore. So I went to get some Morphe eyeshadows. So the ones that I got, because listen, I'm not going to be doing all these colourful looks. It's just not my vibe. So I haven't actually used this one yet. So I got the bronze metal. And this is what the colours look like. I just think they're really great. I don't know if you can see them. That's a better look. I really like this colour here. These 3 colours. When I want to do something a little shimmery, we can use... actually, sorry, I'm trying to look in the camera. These 6 here are shimmery, which I liked. Just when I want to do a little with my eyes. You know, I'm a golden brown girl, very basic. I know. Oh, let me actually swatch some of the colours. Don't like ruining this stuff, but let me give you a closer look actually. So let's see, what gold would I wear? So I'm taking that one. Is this even pigmented? It's not even that pigmented, maybe because it's on my hand, but that's what it looks like. Kind of disappointed. Why is it not pigmented like it was in the shop? Okay, now it's pigmenting, don't worry. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's what it looks like there. If I take like one of the other bright colors, oh, they feel amazing. Oh, that one is pigmented. Oh, ciao. Look at that. So yeah, I can't wait to like get stuck in that. And then this palette, I have actually opened it. This is the Neutral Territory. Why am I showing you packaging? This is the 90 Neutral Territory. Yep, I've already used this one. This is what this looks like. Again, just some browns. I actually got this palette mainly for the black, because that black, girl, let me even show you. That black is really black. Like, look at how black that black is, please. It's quite black, and I don't like to go too dark, but you know, that's a nice one. But that brown, that middle brown as well, girl, I'm running out of fingers here, but let's swatch that. You're not going to see it on my skin tone, but when I put the P. Louise base and then put that on top, you're going to see it, but you're not even going to see it here. Can you even see it? There's no point. You can't see it. But it's just going to be like a nice transition colour. So I've got those 2 palettes. So yeah, I've got those 2 palettes. And they're just going to be literally used everything from everyday makeup to the girls going out, you know? So yeah. And then I got the TikTok girls have been raving about this Fenty Beauty chocolate, and it's been sold out. I haven't even opened this one, but oh, that color, girl. You guys know what the Fenty Beauty packaging looks like, but I'm just gonna, oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that, please. Oh, child, cannot wait to wear that. So this is in hot chocolate. It smells nice as well. What's the scent? I'm sorry, I stand corrected. It's not called hot chocolate. It's called hot choco lit. And trust me, you're gonna be lit in this. Because, oh, that color, girl. And if you can see, it's got like these shimmers in it as well. Oh, girl, that on my lips is gonna be fire. Next, I got this, what's this? Out and About Cocoa Nude Lip Duo. So this is a lipstick and a lip gloss, and oh, there were so many Morphe colours I wanted, but literally there was nothing. So I got this duo. This is, oh, I like the packaging. So this is the lipstick and the lip gloss. It looks like that. The lipstick, what colour did I say this was? Cocoa Nude. I'm a bit scared looking at that now, but that's what that looks like. I'm just going to swatch it on my hand. I mean, it's a pinky brownie nude. It looks a bit scary on my hand, but look. Once I've like put it on, put the lipstick on, put the gloss on, put the two together, I'm sure it will look nice. But right now, it's not giving on my hand. And then this is the gloss that goes with it. Can you guys hear that rain? Damn. So this is the lip gloss, and again, just for like a nudie everyday thing, you know, that's what's going on there. No, you must be able to hear that. Can you like chill? Next, I got this Super Brow pomade thingamajiggy. I got it in clear. The girls have been saying that, you know, the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones is better, but I was in Morphe and I thought, let me just get everything. It's literally clear to put over my brows just so that they stay in place. Come on, camera. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can even see, but you know, you put your spoolie in it, you put it through your brows, and come rain, come thunder, come sunshine, your brows will be in place. So I can't wait to try that. And my last bit of makeup, I think this is the last one. I have used this because, whew, I just had to. This is the Jaclyn Hill highlighter. Listen, the smoothness, the softness, and girls, we all know that, like, you know, the Jaclyn Hill highlighters have been it, but oh, that color, girl, and like, I've actually got it on today. Look at her shine. Hey, now this highlight is lit. If you're a chocolate girl like me, this highlight is lit. It's so finely milled. It's just, it's lit. Just go and get it. It's called Exposure. Just, yeah, go, run, do not walk, girl, do not walk. So that's all my beauty bits. So we're going to move on to like makeup tools. So as I said, I've been using all my brushes since the beginning of learning how to make up. Okay, maybe not that old, but my brushes are old. I remember I was washing my I think it's my Real Techniques, the stippling brown foundation brush. I'll see if I can stick a picture here. And I was washing it. Sis, why was it coming apart, please? It was coming, I literally pulled all the bristles out, and I was like, girl, you need to get new brushes, because if that can happen to this brush, all your other brushes are in its last legs. So I decided to get some new brushes. So firstly, I got this, it's called Filter Effect. It's a duo. I didn't really need the sponge, if I'm completely honest, but the Morphe sale that they had, oh girl, it was a lot. So I just got this beauty sponge. I don't know if I'm going to use it. Maybe I'll just use it when I'm taking pictures and need props, but it's just the usual, you know, beauty sponge. I like the harsh I like the straight lines on this because it's really good to like get, you know, do your contour, and like you can really get into like your under your eyes, you know. It's just really good. But I've actually got something like this already, so I guess this is just a bonus for me. But what I was really excited about was this brush, and it's just so unique. I'm going to show it to you. So this is what it looks like, but if you look at the brush, oh gosh, I feel so old school doing this. But if you look at the brush, if you can see the way that it's shaped, and it's kind of like fluffy as well at the same time. And I got this to just like, you know, help blend out like my contour, because I mean, you guys know I've put on weight. I mean, I'm in the process of losing it, but girl, she needs the contour. So I just needed a brush that I didn't have to really go in forever to make sure that everything is blended out and seamless. I really wanted something that was just going to do the work in a few strokes. So I was recommended this, and I really like the shape of it. And it can really like chisel, you can use it to blend. I really can't wait to try this brush, and it's so soft. More makeup bits. This is more like foundation and concealer. I'll be honest with you, I didn't need to buy this. I didn't need to. Like, I've literally still got foundations, well, my concealer's on its way up, but I didn't need to buy it. And now that I'm going to open it and swatch it, I can't return it, so oh well. So this is Aroma Beauty. This is what the packaging looks like. Again, it went viral on like TikTok and Instagram when they first launched. I was really curious to try it out, and I think they're black owned, if I remember correctly. I think they are. I'm sure they are. And I also think that you can get them in Selfridges as well. So I was just like, listen, I need to support. So I picked up two colours. I picked up number 12 Black Pearl and also number 11 Black Pearl. I think it's from the Black Pearl range. But I got 11 and 12. So 11 and she's thick. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And then this is number 12. This is just for like contouring, and I'll show you what that looks like as well. Oh, that looks so chocolatey. Oh my days. But those are the two colors. That's 11, that's 12, and they look like they blend really well. When I tried them in the store, these are super full coverage, and this would just mainly be used on like nights out, like evenings, dates, cinemas, like anything where I'm like going out and I need a bit more coverage. That's what I'm going to be using that for. And then I also got the foundations, which are also from the Black Pearl range. So I got T1C, which I think stands for cool, and T1N, which stands for neutral. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is number T1C. It also says number 1 on here. I'm just gonna put a pump, and I got two different colors. One that's like my actual color, and then one that's like my color when I go on holiday. But I just liked the finish. These were just so beautiful. So this is the T1C. That's what that looks like. Obviously, if I blend it in, oh, she feels so beautiful. Oh my days. But you can see what that looks like there. Obviously I haven't blended it in well because I want you to still see it, but listen, if I did, you'll be like, did you put anything on? So this is my actual color, T1C, well, my winter color I'd say. And I'm just gonna take that off and then show you the T1N, which is a bit darker. Well, the undertone's a bit darker, which I like. And also as well, when I'm doing my makeup, I actually like to go a little bit darker, because by the time I contour, highlight, do all that good stuff, like, you can't see, if that makes any sense. I need you to like see the colors. I don't want all the colors to like, I don't know how to explain it, but I just need you to see the different shades. Whereas if I go with my actual skin color, I just don't feel like you can see the different shades and the work and the beauty that I've put, that I've all the work that I've done basically. So this is Black Pearl T1N. As I said, this is a bit cooler. Same bottle, same green color. Don't embarrass me, please. Okay. Oh, that one literally shot out. My innuendos, haha. This is a PG channel. Anyway, this is the this is the darker shade. This is what it looks like. As you can see, like, it's really like the undertone is quite dark. I'll show it to you with the one that's my skin tone. Gosh, it's really watery. So yeah, these are the colors side by side. I hope you can see them. Oops, hold on. Yeah, so these are the colours side by side. Once they dry down, I'm sure they're going to be stunning, but you can see they are beautiful. Beautiful. Cool, so that's the foundations. That's all I got. Well, that's all I needed. Well, didn't need, because I have foundations, but you know, sometimes you want to mix up the textures, try new things, try new techniques. Although I want to get rid of all the makeup I've got and just start again, but I don't know what to do with them. Like, obviously I can't sell them because they're used. I don't want to throw them away because I don't know, I just don't like being wasteful. I don't know, I mean, comment down below, what should I do with like all my old makeup? Because I really don't want to throw them away. Like, will people take them? Like, more things like eyeshadows and concealers and, no, not concealers, just eyeshadows. Yeah, all my eyeshadow palettes, I don't want them anymore. Just someone else should have them. So yeah, anyways, moving on swiftly. So you guys know, yeah, I actually wear a lot of makeup, but I don't like to look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. Like, my look is very, is she wearing foundation, is she not? That's kind of the look that I like. And I also like my face to look really dewy. That's just, again, like my thing. That's what I like. So I picked up this Morphe luminous setting spray. This is what it looks like. I've heard the Huda one is really good as well, Huda Beauty. So, but I'm trying not to overload myself with too much makeup, so I'm gonna try this. When it finishes, I'll try something new. If I don't like that thing new, I'll give it away and come back to this. That's kind of how I want my house to be, because otherwise it's just going to be too much. So moving on to brushes, the girls on TikTok have been raving about this Real Techniques brush. It's the 242. It's meant to be amazing for like applying and blending out concealer. I've not used it yet. I can't wait to try it. I will report back on how well this does. And then also in Morphe, I got some new face brushes. I've not used any of these, but these brushes were so soft when I tried them out. Again, I want to get rid of all of my brushes. Again, they work perfectly fine. I just needed a new set. Oh, girl, I can't wait to try these brushes, and they're just super soft. I just love them. Again, I'll link everything down below. Just really liked the look of these brushes. Yes, I just really like the look of these brushes, and I can't wait to try them. These are going to replace all my face brushes, and I'm just going to do away with them. I don't need this, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that, because I bought all that stuff they gave me. No, actually they didn't. This came with something else that I'm going to show you, but this is just a Sigma blending brush. It's really tiny, so I'll be using that like on my eyes, obviously. I then picked up this from Real Techniques on Amazon. These are really affordable. Can't wait to try that. I'm actually really interested in this brush, which is the eyelash comb. And I think I want to use it with a new mascara that L'Oreal sent to me. And speaking of that mascara, this is the mascara that L'Oreal sent to me. This was kindly gifted. This mascara, from what I've tried, is really good. I actually made an Instagram reel on it, and I just really like using it, but I do think either my lashes get a bit too clumpy, so I just want to use that brush to like brush it out a little bit and like let them not be so clumpy. But yeah, that's all of my beauty bits. I think I'm going to make this a part 2 because this video is already long, so bye.